Hello everyone and welcome to today's Chinese pod lesson. My name is Joe.
大家好，我是庆林，欢迎来到中文播客。
Today we are going to talk about buying things from a vendor. So what is the Chinese word for buy something?
买
And here you have to be careful because even me, after years of living in China, I still mix two words up, which is buy and sell sometimes. Because buy is 买 and what is sell?
卖
So one is third tone and sell, 买 is the fourth tone. So we will talk about the buying part. What was that again? To buy?
买
买. Okay, that's what we are going to talk about. So let's check out the dialogue.
要买什么？
买面包圈儿。
还要买什么？
还要买蛋挞。
要买什么？
买面包圈儿。
还要买什么？
还要买蛋挞。
要买什么？
买面包圈儿。
还要买什么？
还要买蛋挞。
After listening to that dialogue, let's break it down line by line.
要买什么？
What do you want to buy?
要买什么？
What do you want to buy?
要买什么？买面包圈儿。
I want to buy a donut.
买面包圈儿。
I want to buy a donut.
买面包圈儿。还要买什么？
What else do you want to buy?
还要买什么？
What else do you want to buy?
还要买什么？还要买蛋挞。
I also want to buy an egg tart.
还要买蛋挞。
I also want to buy an egg tart.
还要买蛋挞。
So the whole dialogue was just about buying things. What was buying?
买
The third tone. Okay, and the dialogue starts with the vendor asking, what do you want to buy?
要买什么？
Here we have two verbs. The first is 要,
要
and the second is 买.
买
So this means want and buy. So together it's want to buy. And then after that there's only a what.
什么？
So together this becomes what do you want? But interestingly, here we drop the you. But could I say the whole sentence with having that you in the Chinese as well?
可以说你要买什么？
Okay, so you can either say it or not. Sometimes we leave out subjects in Chinese if the context is very clear. And because the vendor asks somebody, of course I'm asking you. So we have the structure, 要 something 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 什么 and it's basically just what do you want to do. So we could put any verb here actually. What other verbs could you think of what we can put here?
要吃什么？
So what do you want to eat?
吃。要喝什么？
What do you want to drink?
喝。要煮什么？
Oh, to cook.
煮。
So the customer wanted to have a donut. How do we say donut in Chinese?
面包圈儿。面包圈儿。
So 面包 is bread. And the other one, 圈 is...
圆圆的。
Oh, like a round thing, a circle-y thing. So a bread in a circle shape, a donut. I do remember there was another word for donut as well, which is related to its being very sweet.
甜甜圈。
Okay, like sweet.
甜甜圈。
What would you buy together with a donut?
买咖啡。买 咖啡
It's in, you hear it probably, it's coffee. 咖啡, two first tones. Okay. Do you like your coffee hot or cold?
我喜欢冰咖啡
Oh, okay. 冰 is ice, so together with coffee it becomes iced coffee.
冰咖啡
So 3 first tones. 冰咖啡. I prefer mine hot though. 热
热咖啡热咖啡
And since a donut is that sweet already, I would have to make sure there's no sugar in my coffee anymore. I normally drink black coffee or like Americano.
哦，叫做黑咖啡黑咖啡
So 3 first tones again. Hey, black, and 咖啡. Of course, because the vendor wants to sell more, he asks, what else do you want? And the customer then answers, I also want that and that. So they both use one special phrase here. Both of them use the same. What was it?
还要还要
So as you already know, 要 is to want something, and 还 means like more, something in addition, like this. So together it becomes I also want, or what else do you want, as a question. So what does he answer? Egg tart.
我还要买蛋挞
蛋挞.
蛋挞
Okay, so what else could we have?
不要了
I was actually still a little bit hungry. Okay, 不要了. 要, as you know, is to want, and 不 means not. So together it becomes I don't want, or no need.
不要了不要了
So then maybe let's change the topic a little bit, because we could use 还要 together with any verb, similar to 要 plus verb. So what else could we do then?
我们可以说还要玩
Oh, like want also to play.
还要说
To talk?
还要看
还要看什么?
看对话吧
Oh yeah, let's check out the dialogue again.
要买什么？
买面包圈儿。
还要买什么？
还要买蛋挞。
要买什么？
买面包圈儿。
还要买什么？
还要买蛋挞。
要买什么？
买面包圈儿。
还要买什么？
还要买蛋挞。
So today we learned how to use the word 买 when you want to buy some food at a vendor. Especially we focused on how to say I want to buy something and I want also to buy something else. How did we say that in Chinese?
要买还要买
Do you actually buy a lot? Do you go shopping a lot?
我不喜欢买很多东西
I guess that's probably better for the environment as well. And we definitely do not want to encourage you to go on a shopping spree like every day. But in your daily Chinese environment, you will have to use the word 买. So we hope that this video kind of helped you to get a feeling for it and to feel at least not lost when you go to a vendor and buy some food. So if you have any questions or comments, just share your thoughts in the comment section below. My name is Joe.
我是庆妮
See you
下
next
次
time.
见
Bye
拜
bye.
拜
Now, here's a vocabulary recap.
买
To buy.
面包圈儿
Donut.
还要买
Also want to buy.
蛋挞
Egg tart.
Introducing Chinese Pod Recap, the app with fast summary lessons. How much time do you have? Join us in the beta program. For more info, go to ChinesePod.com/recap.